I release all ancestral patterns of scarcity and lack. I break free from inherited limitations around money. My lineage is now cleansed of financial struggle. I dissolve all energetic depths carried from past generations. Every block to wealth is now gently released with love and grace. The universe, the creator, reprograms my energy field for abundance. I transmute all scarcity into golden opportunities. My soul is ready and willing to receive. I open my heart to the infinite flow of wealth. Money is a sacred tool for my soul's expansion. I am divinely supported in all financial matters. Abundance flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. My financial reality is transformed by divine love. I welcome prosperity in all its beautiful forms. I vibrate in perfect alignment with wealth and success. I trust the universe to guide me toward financial miracles. I am worthy of receiving limitless abundance. My soul is destined for prosperity, joy, and expansion. Every cell in my body radiates abundance now. I honor my ancestors by creating a legacy of wealth. I step fully into my divine inheritance of prosperity. I am a powerful magnet for money and miracles. And so it is.